Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of Magento 2. So today we are going to learn how to change admin URL from the Magento 2 configuration system. So let's get started. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel and hit, if you like the video, please hit like to it. So you can see that we have the base your admin path is this one. Okay, this is journal thing, right? Every time we have the admin and some of the things are coming out when we are installing the Magento, right? So how to change it, how to make it a custom URL, right? So we have the option in the Magento to system configuration file. So you need to go with this stores configuration, then you go with the admin, advanced admin, then we are going with the admin base URL. Then here we have a use custom admin URL and use custom admin path. Okay, so we have the options, so you can switch it to yes. Then custom admin URL you can make with the slash. Okay, and if you want just only the custom path, then you can add the custom admin path. Okay, so if you want to update the URL, you can update the URL at the same time, and if you want the custom admin path, you can do the rest of the thing. So right now I'm not going to change the admin URL. I'm going to change the admin custom path. So here I'm going to add the custom path would be make it sample underscore data. Okay, if I go with save config, please use only letters A to Z and 0 to 9. Okay, sample 9018. I'm going to copying it. Okay, and save this configuration. We'll go with the logged in. Okay, and you can see that sample 9087 is my new admin path, right? You can change the full URL from this part and you can go with that part, right? So in that, any query, any issue, that just let me know in the comment section. In the coming video we are going to learn two or more methods for the changing the admin path in the Magento 2. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.